Welcome back, all my free thinkers, to the beatdown, the crypto beatdown and bloodbath of Grow Rich, Grow Happy, that place where we follow the breadcrumbs to wealth. This is an evening edition, and guys, what we're looking at here is Plume. Why are we looking at Plume? Because this is one of the assets that I happen to still be dollar cost averaging in. And do you know why? Because I can see some things that a lot of people are not seeing, and you can tell by the way the drainage is going on right now in crypto. People think, here's the misconception about crypto. People think crypto adoption starts with price pumps, and it doesn't, because in reality it actually starts with a country's rails, their currency rails. And if you've been paying attention, like I've been paying attention to a lot of the things we're talking about, and make sure you check out the last video on Zebic talking about currency rails, stable coins, and things like that. But in this one, we're taking a different direction. We're going to be talking about tokenization. And I've been looking at some signals with the Plume network. Keep telling you, these are the things that's going to separate the millionaires from those that are just hopeful. So you look at this drainage right here, and I wanted to start off with this. I wanted to do a little bit different. And again, like I keep telling you guys, you put in a little bit. Look at there, 10 billion supply of Plume tokens. Again, I put $50 in. That's all it takes. I already have a bag. I'm just building upon that bag. But you see here, get roughly 4,000 tokens or so. But I'm going to continue. If you look out, look at the 3-month, everything doesn't look good. A lot of people miss this. See, we got a lot of new people. I'm going to jump over here now because I want you guys to see that price right there, because it's a lot in that price. But I want to jump over here because I'm going to show you something that Cathie Wood said. Everybody know her from ARK Invest. But these people see it. The major money, they see the shift that's going on. And we got a lot of new people coming into crypto for the first time, and they're expecting to get the same rewards that the Wild Wild West of crypto was giving people. You heard the stories, all the money people was making, the Lambos and mansions and things that they was buying. They was buying crazy stuff. I know people that was buying crazy stuff, but we're away from that. So you get a lot of people coming in with those same, they're expecting the same type of rewards, and they're not getting it. So they become jaded on what's going on in the market, and they begin to just exit the market. You see it by way of Zebic. You see it by way of Plume. You see it with a lot of things that's going on out here. Well, those are the people that's not going to make it, because cryptocurrency, investing in cryptocurrency, where you used to could do it as a side hobby, you really got to keep your ear to these crypto streets. I help you by giving you things like Overcoming Self for Crypto Wealth. Check out my book. Get it. I've heard a lot of people been telling me a lot of things about it, that they've been learning a little bit more about crypto using them. Going to plug my book. Check it out over on growrichgrowhappy.com. Also, make sure you guys smash that like button. Give me a sub. Hit that bell notification so that you don't miss any of these videos. Get a lot of reviews. Tons of views. Returning viewers. Which make your mind up. Subscribe. Let's do it like that. But we're talking about Plume because this is the tokenized asset token of the century, I believe. And I look up here and I look at little things like this. Look at their following, guys. Almost 1 million followers that they have right here. They got some serious power behind them. Now, when it comes to ARK Invest, everybody knows ARK Invest, but you look here, they have like 100,000 more, or maybe 200,000 more subscribers than they have. Say what you must, but those are little things. Now, what I want you to see, I'm going to show you this, but then I'm going to jump over here and show you something else, the big signal that I believe everybody should be paying attention to. So we're going to check this out right quick, guys, and listen to what Cathie had to say.
We also had a lot more on DeFi and tokenized assets. We saw a very large increase in tokenization on public blockchains, up to 19 billion. Now, that's a large increase. I think that was a tripling or maybe even more in the last year. But we ultimately think that's going to 11 trillion, highlighted by public equities, sovereign debt, and bank deposits. So it's going to be a very big market, and there will be a lot of dislocations in the financial sector because of this wholesale shift really to a new technology. And so we're pretty excited about that.
You hear that, guys? Now, Plume posted this 7 hours ago at the making of this video. They said tokenization could reach 11 trillion. I've told you guys this. I've told you guys this way earlier last year. And they're saying that's what they're expecting by year 2030. Yet, tokenized RWAs on chain remain early, roughly 24 billion today. Plume is here to help move that shift forward through on-chain distribution and composability. Now, go over here. This is as early as you can get, especially with the gift that we keep getting with the market continuing to drain out. A lot of paper hands are going bye-bye. So I look at this and I say, okay, you take that news right there and say, okay, we know there's a market for this. We know what's going on with tokenized assets like bonds and whatnot. And we see Plume is positioned well. Now, you jump over here because it also goes with this news right here. Global lending RWA network Plume lowers their investment threshold for Korean institutions through the KRW1 stablecoin. There's that name again, stablecoin. Guys, if you caught that last episode and you see how stablecoins, this Genius Act was just that. It was genius. This was genius because I've never seen crypto move this fast. I've never seen crypto be so widely accepted as it is right now. And then I'm going to read just a little bit of this and I'm going to tell you what it means. Plume Network, a leading real world asset RWA platform, has integrated with KRW1, Korean won pegged stablecoin issued by the custody company BDAX, according to a report by, what is this, BG Network. This move will enable Korean investors to use basically this Korean stablecoin for payments and investments with Plume's ecosystem. You see this? No other ecosystem, Plume's ecosystem. Currently, Plume's ecosystem holds over 645 million in RWAs. This is super early, especially when you have them estimating that the tokenization market is going to go to 11 trillion, guys, trillions. The integration aims to leverage Korea's advanced tokenized securities regulatory environment, reduce foreign exchange costs for Korean institutions, and pave the way for future expansion into other Asian currencies such as the Japanese yen. Now, guys, when I look at that, I want you to zoom out, look at it like this. When a country's own currency, guys, their own currency starts moving on chain, a whole country's currency, that's not hype. That's infrastructure. And that's infrastructure happening right in front of your eyes. Now, it's like I told you guys in that last episode that I made on Zebic. These are the parts. This is where a lot of the early money is going to really be rewarded down the line, when all of this is just background noise. People are using all of this and not even realizing they're using it. We're so early, guys. We have to get out of our own way and keep thinking like, I can't imagine how this is going to happen. Just because you can't see it doesn't change the fact that it's going to happen, and that a lot of it in a lot of cases is already happening. Even when you look back at Zebic, it's people who are streaming their pay right now. But so many of us are in our own way. We looking at it like, I just can't see it happening because I can't see it. This is what's going on. This is the disconnect between people who are still stuck in that legacy phase of banking and how you hold bonds or other tokenized assets, which are tokenized now, or in the already in that phase of being tokenized. This is where that disconnect happens, and you fail to study up on this stuff. Do a little bit of research. You don't have to do a lot. You see, I just showed you two things, and I showed you one signal with what Cathie Wood said. I've brought you what she said is not new to those of you who've been subscribed to me. I've told you this, where tokenized assets are projected to go. Those of you that understand this and you have the foresight to get out your own way and look ahead, you're looking at assets like Plume. You're looking at those assets because you see that they are plugged in with the know. Now, it's going to be more coming out on that. I meant to also show you guys that they're doing the actual spaces on that. It says Plume is powering on-chain capital markets in Korea. And they're going to be having that on this coming Thursday, and you can register to listen to it as well. Follow me over on X. I will post this over there so you guys can get in and maybe listen to it as well. Again, always, take it with a grain of salt, but listen, do your homework, open your mind, get out your own way, and you will be making these profits. But don't be like everyone else that's waiting until all of this happens, and then they're like, what do I buy? How much do I buy? Oh my God, it's on sale now at $1. No, it's on sale. Things like Plume are on sale right now with a penny, a freaking penny. And I believe for like $300 and something, maybe $400, you can get like 20,000 of these. Now, with the right climate, and when things really, just the right partnership or something magical, somebody just says the right thing. You know how it go in crypto. This could go up to like $1 just like that in like 2 days, or maybe even overnight. And then everybody's sitting back like, I need to get some Plume when I'm bringing you content like this every day and early when you can get in at a penny. All right, guys, let me know what you think of the Plume network. How many of you guys hold Plume? How many of you guys are taking advantage of these deals while they're down? I know I am. To the next one, this your boy. I'm out.